Welcome once again to T&T Spices. We're a small family-owned company that makes specialty spice blends and hot sauces. We have award-winning products. We thank you for joining us and tuning in for another cooking episode. Today we got something super simple, some smoked chicken. And we're going to use all of these delicious ingredients that we have. Stay tuned. First thing we're going to do, we want to season our chicken. Now, we're going to take our championship blend. We are champions, standing tall. And I'm going to very thoroughly season this bird on the outside and the inside and underneath the skin. I've already taken my finger and broken the skin loose on all sides of this chicken. Now, we're just going to simply apply our rub. Now we'll take this out to our smoker. Let's make today's side dish. Super easy, very basic. We're going to make buttered cabbage.
Help, I'm melting, but it smells so good.
I have a big casserole dish with a whole head of cabbage. I'm just going to chop our cabbage up off camera, throw it into our casserole dish. Abracadabra, cabbage is chopped. What magic, let me tell you. I'm the next David Copperfield. Now, we're going to take our all-purpose SPG. We're just going to season up our cabbage with this. We'll be pretty liberal, because this was a big head of cabbage. I also have Retro Burns Crazy Train.
You thought I was just a season, but I'm spice charged. Choo choo choo. All aboard the Craziest Flavor Express.
And this is spicy. This is optional. This would be like normal people putting in red pepper flakes. But who says I'm normal? And this actually tastes way better. Last ingredient, 1 stick of butter. We're going to cover this tightly in foil, place this out on the smoker with our chicken. We're once again going to use some Tennessee cooking wood. Today we're going to use their maple chunks that I've placed in our firebox. Once our flame has started, I'll slide our firebox over, I'll slide our heat deflector over, then we'll bring our food out. Our smoker's set at 350 degrees. The chicken has reached 140 degrees. It is not finished cooking, but we want to take some barbecue sauce. Now, I have a award-winning, delicious sauce from Rivera Hot Sauce Company. This is their hot roasted garlic, red bell pepper barbecue sauce.
Okay, here we go. Hot roasted garlic, red bell pepper barbecue sauce? Oh no!
They give it a heat rating of a 6 because it does contain habanero peppers. Okay, I'm going to place this back inside the smoker. It's probably going to take about another 15 minutes. It has hit 160 degrees. We're going to let this rest until it rises to 165. I've also taken our cabbage off, and we're just going to mix this up. Now, as this is resting, we're going to make up one other little small side dish to go with this as well. We're just going to make ourselves some fresh sliced tomatoes, but not just tomatoes. We're going to a little bit extra. I have some fresh tomatoes. I'm going to slice these. I have some fresh basil. It would help if my hands were dry. Now normally for a caprese salad, you would use fresh mozzarella.
Babe, you complete me.
I love you too.
I did not have any on hand, but I did have some bagged shredded mozzarella. I'm just going to sprinkle this right on top. Next, I have our all-purpose SPG.
Hey!
Now you can use just black pepper. This has salt, pepper, and garlic, along with a few other special spices. I'm going to add that on. I have some good olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Then I have some balsamic glaze. That's our last side dish. So let's start plating our actual meal up. Here's plating number one. My wife didn't want a barbecue sandwich. She wanted her chicken whole. So we've plated everything up for her. Plating number two. I shredded our chicken, threw it over top of a potato bun. Here I have some Sour's Pyro Pickle, one of his newest blends. I'm gonna pour some of this over top. Take our tops. Another meal complete. Thank you for joining us at T&T Spices. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. As always, to each and every one of you, God bless you all.
T&T Spices, that's the spot.